is a wild bird. We don't know what is her name. The beak is very long. It's hardly 1 month, I think. See, the leg is also very long. We found in the field while we are plouging. It was unable to run away. So I think we can keep here. We can keep the bird in this bush. It will be, I think they will survive. Chapangam bro. Home challenge. Chapangam nida. Kasi tambira mo. Kasi tambira mo. Napi maka. Kasi it's running. It's trying to. Isn't tadore. We are just let it in some bush so that no other human. Nothing minangbo. This is not a, my brother is saying it's a duck. It's not a duck. See the beak. It's a very long big one. Nothing na namitaga mutilakani ko. Tambira mo somda. Magi makon khangbra. Makon me thamam mo ba. Lao duga poti pro lao yopa ka do pero. So we just completed the plouging. Since 2-3 days of rain, we get some water from the road, another hills, and we are just draining the water to the field so that we plough the land.